Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Was the movie good? Was the movie good? What is in the desk? What is in the desk? Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? How was the math test? How was the math test? Did you finish the job? Did you finish the job? How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? Was there a lot of traffic? Was there a lot of traffic? What kind of meal did you eat? What kind of meal did you eat? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Would you like to come? Would you like to come? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? What do you do in Japan? What do you do in Japan? Who is that man? Who is that man? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? What was that noise? What was that noise? How long is that breeze? How long is that breeze? How high is that mountain? How high is that mountain? Will it rain today? Will it rain today? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Can you mail this for me? Can you mail this for me? What is going on? What is going on? Do you deliver on Sundays? Do you deliver on Sundays? Is the bath clean? Is the bath clean? What's the matter? What's the matter? Who broke the vase? Who broke the vase? What's the bus fare? What's the bus fare? How deep is the lake? How deep is the lake? Can you play the piano? Can you play the piano? Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? What is the price of the cap? What is the price of the cap? May I speak to you? May I speak to you? Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? What do you plan to do? What do you plan to do? Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Can you pay me in advance? Can you pay me in advance? Whose car is that? Whose car is that? Why did she do that? Why did she do that? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Is that a picture of me? Is that a picture of me? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? How did you make it? How did you make it? How was your day? How was your day? Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the trip? Are you free on Tuesday? Are you free on Tuesday? Will the train leave on time? Will the train leave on time? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.